Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use cleanup feature on iPhone. Here are the steps to use the cleanup feature in iPhone, specifically through the Photos app to remove duplicates and free up space. First, open the Photos app. Tap on the Photos app from your home screen. Scroll down to Utilities. Scroll until you see the Utilities section. Tap on Duplicates. In Utilities, tap on Duplicates to see Repeated Photos or Videos. Review Duplicate Suggestions. The iPhone automatically suggests duplicates based on content and metadata. Tap Merge next to a duplicate set. For each group of duplicates, tap Merge to keep the highest quality version and delete the rest. Repeat for other duplicates. Continue reviewing and merging any remaining duplicate files. Empty recently deleted folder. Scroll down and tap Recently Deleted in Utilities. Tap Select. In Recently Deleted, tap Select at the top right, then tap to choose your photos that you want to delete. Tap Delete. Tap the three dots in the bottom left corner, then tap on Delete. Confirm deletion. Tap Delete from this iPhone to confirm and clear up storage. Delete all. Tap the three dots again in the bottom left corner, then hit Delete all. This built-in feature helps keep your iPhone organized and reduces storage clutter. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.